If you're looking for new siding, why not choose one that's good for your home and the environment? Stick around to find out why James Hardie siding is the eco-friendly choice you've been looking for. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Today we're talking about eco-friendly home improvements and why choosing sustainable siding is a smart decision for both your home and the planet. Let's explore why James Hardie siding stands out as a green choice for your home. When it comes to eco-friendly siding, you want to look for materials that are durable, require little maintenance, and have a low environmental impact. This not only reduces waste, but also saves energy and resources over the life of your home. James Hardie siding is made from natural and sustainable materials, including cement, sand, and cellulose fibers, which are abundant and have minimal environmental impact. Plus, it's engineered to last, meaning fewer replacements and less waste over time. Its durability also means it can withstand harsh weather conditions without needing frequent repairs, saving you time and reducing the need for extra resources. And let's not forget, James Hardie siding is resistant to fire, pests, and rot, making it a safe and sustainable option for protecting your home. Are you ready to make a sustainable choice for your home? At Southwest Exteriors, we're proud to offer James Hardie siding as an eco-friendly option. If you're in the San Antonio area and want to learn more about how James Hardie siding can benefit your home and the environment, contact us today. Visit our website or give us a call to schedule a free consultation. For more home improvement tips, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.